Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. This morning, after getting my ass pretty much handed to me by the NASDAQ, I was looking for some alternate things to trade. I wanted it to be a micro and I didn't want it to be an index. The reason being is in the PA accounts on Apex Trader Funding, you cannot go in opposite directions on the same type of instrument. In other words, two indexes. Let's say you were trading the Dow and the NASDAQ. If one's going up and one's going down, they do not want you to go in opposite directions on the same type of product. Now, I'm not saying I agree with that because sometimes the NASDAQ's going up when the Dow's going down and vice versa. And I'm just trading my setup, so whatever. But we do have to follow their rules. It's their money. So this morning, I was looking for some alternate things to trade, and I wanted it to be a micro, didn't want it to be an index. And there's a couple of different things that I was looking at. So this is the M6A. It's currently trading in the September contract. And this is the currency, the Aussie dollar to the US dollar. And you can see earlier it was pretty janky, but there were some decent moves down and then back up. And now we are headed back down. The thing that I like about this is it is small. This is my regular Hail Mary ATM strategy. A lot of you guys have seen me use this before. It's basically just to get me in and out with a stop and a target. If I were doing this on the Dow Mini, for example, it would be a $500 stop and a $500 target. But check this out. If I do it on this little guy, let's just sell because it appears that we are going down. I mean, my target and stop aren't even on the map yet. This is $100 of risk and way far away. So you have tons of room to potentially allow this trade to play out. If I were to use this level of resistance as my stop, that's only risking $24. Now, obviously, I would probably want to bring my target much further in as well so that I had the potential of reaching it. But it is another option that is really, really tiny, so really, really safe. So I was looking at that this morning. Additionally, I was also looking at this one. This is Micro Bitcoin, currently in the June contract. And this one did not have such great moves. I mean, pretty janky all up in here. But for example, if I were to sell this thing, still, this is only a $50 risk right here. And as you see, I have quite a bit of room for this trade to play out. Not nearly as much as that microcurrency, but this is another great option if you want something just super tiny that is a different type of instrument if you want to try trading some different things. As you can see on the Apex site, they have all different kinds of micros. Of course, the regular indexes, micro gold, the Aussie to dollar, the euro to dollar, and micro crude. Speaking of Apex, the 80% off sale is ending tonight, so that is about 12 hours from this recording. If you'd like an additional account, a brand new account, whatever's going to work best for you, your trading goals, and your budget, might want to lock that in today. There's a link and coupon code for you down below. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.